Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another unboxing. This is also from Ammo. We did an unboxing for the majority of their products the other week. So they recently came out with a couple new products, and well, that's what we got. So we're just getting right on into it because I'm excited to see these and use them here in the coming weeks. And well, surprisingly, they didn't send me any of their triggers for these products. Okay, so the first one, it came out a little bit ago, and then this one right here just really recently came out. So we've got Obey Glass and E-Cleaner. So it's Ammo's glass cleaner. So let's see what it says. It says that it's a no drip, no streak glass tent gauge cluster and e-screen cleaner. It's the first glass cleaner that obeys, hence the name, and won't run or drip behind e-screens and glass surfaces, potentially damaging internal components. So that's pretty cool. I wonder if it's like almost like a gel glass cleaner then, but we'll find that out when we get to testing this thing here in the coming weeks. And then the other is the Titan 12 Degreaser. So this one's for like pretty harsh environments, if you will, on the car. So basically for like engines and oil-based stains on the inside, but it does say it's a strong, safe degreaser that can be used on paint, engines, interior oil-based stains, commonly used on door jambs, wheel wells, and parts of the vehicle where heavy road oils come in contact with the paint. So essentially this is kind of like an APC then, if it works, or a super APC we'll call it. Kind of like Chemical Guys is super clean, where it can basically be used anywhere on any type of surface, so that way you can get whatever it is on there cleaned off. So I'm super excited to try this out and then put it to the test up against Chemical Guys' nonsense. But these are the two newest products from the Ammo lineup. Again, it was Obey Glass and E-Cleaner and Titan 12 Degreaser. If you guys have already used these, let me know how it worked out for you in the comment section below. But other than that, that's gonna take care of it. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for when we test these products out, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.